Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to get your Telegram profile link. So first up, open your Telegram, and here we have two ways on how you can get your Telegram profile link. So the first one here is tap on the three lines at the top left-hand corner of your screen, and then tap on Invite Friends right here at the bottom. So basically, you just need to tap on Share Telegram right there, and you just need to send it to any of your social media accounts so they will basically receive your profile link. Now, the second way here is go back to your main chat. So from here, again, tap on the three lines right there at the top left hand corner, and then we're going to tap on your profile picture. And here, tap on the code, which is the QR code right there at the top right. So basically, they just need to scan this QR code and they will definitely go to your profile. But you can also share this by tapping the share QR code button right here at the bottom. And again, just need to send it to any of your social media accounts. And once you click on that link, they will definitely go to your Telegram profile. So that's it. That's how you basically get your Telegram profile link. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.